Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create multiple desktops for work and gaming. If you're using a PC using Windows 11 and you want to create multiple desktops, so for example, I have two desktops. I'm doing work in my first desktop, and I'm going to play a game in my second desktop. So let's see how can I do that. So you can see this is my first desktop, and I have opened some app here in which I'm doing my work, and now I'm going to open a second desktop. You just have to create on this icon here and then select desktop. To here I have a second desktop, or if you want to create third desktop or create a new desktop, just click on this plus icon and your new desktop will be created. Just click on it and you're ready. So you just have to switch between your desktops to move to a new desktop here, or you can do anything here. So for example, I'm using these apps on my first desktop, so I'm going to play a game on my second desktop. Just open the game here and you will be able to play that game on the second desktop. So in this way you can easily create multiple desktops in your Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.